Hey everyone, welcome back to Hiru Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a simple and quick earring pattern that you can make in no time. Whether you need a last minute gift or just want to add a new accessory to your collection, this pattern is perfect. Let's see what are the materials required. These are the materials I'm going to be using today. If you want to purchase any one of them, you can use the links in the description box below. Let's get started with the pattern. Start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times, like this. And then insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our magic ring. In the first round, we are going to work 8 single crochets into the magic ring. So insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a single crochet. Again, we will make the second one. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 single crochets over here. Like that, we will just continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And then we can just pull this tail tight to close the magic ring, like so. Now we need to put a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet to join the round. So insert the hook into the first single crochet. We will work over this tail, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that, we have completed our first round. Now we will start with the second round. We are going to work over this tail on this round so that it will get disappeared inside the stitches. First, we need to chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop. And then work 1 single crochet into the same base stitch. So insert the hook into the same base stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is the single crochet. Again, we will work 2 half double crochets into the second stitch here. So yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Again, work another half double crochet inside the same stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now we have completed 2 half double crochets into that stitch. Then work 3 double crochets into the very next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, work another double crochet into the very same stitch. And then we will work 3 treble crochets inside the next stitch. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. Again, work another treble crochet into the very same stitch, So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again work another treble crochet into the same stitch. After that we will work one double treble crochet into the same stitch again. So yarn over 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Then insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the double treble crochet. Now we have completed one half of the earring. And then we will just continue. Work one double treble crochet inside the next stitch. And then work 3 treble crochets inside the same stitch. One, two, and 3. And then we need to work 3 double crochets inside the next stitch here. One, 2 and 3. Then work 2 half double crochets inside the next stitch. One and 2. Then work 1 single crochet into the very last stitch of the round. Now we need to join the round by working a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet of the round. So insert the hook into the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the crochet part of the work. And then we will leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that I'm going to use the yarn needle to hide the tail like this. And then we will just cut off the excess piece of yarn. And this is what it looks like. Obviously we need to complete 2 of these pieces. After that we will see how to join all the pieces to complete the earring. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this quick crochet project, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Check out the description for all the materials used, and don't forget to join my Patreon for exclusive patterns. See you in the next video.